If you like my creation of what you seen in this video on my channel, feel free and share. And if you prefer, you can subscribe. So, let's create.
Maizena, and my grandmother used to prepare this to me when I was a child, growing up in Puerto Rico. And maizena, is no other thing than cornstarch, and it's a breakfast. And all you need is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or maizena, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of fresh milk. Now, if you were to use evaporated milk, it's very likely that the color will turn a little bit darker. So that's why I will avoid it this time around. I prefer to look like the way my grandmother used to prepare. Also, you're going to need some cinnamon powder for the final touch. So very simple. I'm going to mix everything up now. Because I want the cornstarch to be dissolved. And I do this before I start cooking it, because I don't want any chunks or bumps or anything. I just want this taken care of now. So you're going to mix this well. I'm using a spoon, you can use a fork, you can use whatever. You have a pot, medium-high heat. And I'm going to transfer from here to the other side. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stir this baby up. And you're going to do this for a while. Say somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes. Sorry, that's part of the process. Hopefully it takes less, because I have an electrical stove. My grandmother used to have a gas stove. But you have to mix it so it doesn't get lumps and anything like that. It might take you longer, might take you less. At the end, it's going to be a delicious result. About 3 minutes in, I reduce the heat to medium. You have to be careful because, sugar can burn a little bit. See, right here, the chunk. Taking the shit out. Okay. So 18 or so minutes later, it's going to thicken a little bit as you shake. Once it does that, after you stir and it starts thickening, transfer into a plate, put some cinnamon powder, and here it is. See how nice? Perfect, huh?